In this video, we'll check out the Bluetooth settings menu on your new Pioneer AVH-110BT. Alright, so I'm on source here. I'm on the AM/FM radio, and I know that I have a phone connected to the receiver because I see the Bluetooth logo lit up in blue right here. And I want to get to the Bluetooth settings. So I'm going to touch the gears up here. And I'm going to try to touch the Bluetooth settings, but look, you can't. They are grayed out. So I need to engage the vehicle's parking brake. When I engage the vehicle's parking brake, you can see that the Bluetooth settings become available, and I'll select that, and we'll walk through each of the settings here. First up is the connection menu. Let's touch that one. You can see that I have the Pixel 2 connected here. And if you want to delete a phone, you can have 3 different phones that have been paired to this in-dash receiver. If you want to pair a 4th phone to the in-dash receiver, you're going to need to delete at least one of them. So touch the trash can right here, and that will delete that device. I'm going to leave this one connected for right now, but if you need to get rid of one, use the trash can to get rid of it. We'll go back up. Next up is Auto Connect. You can switch Auto Connect on or off. Most people like to leave Auto Connect switched on. This means that when you've paired a phone to the in-dash receiver, you drive somewhere in your vehicle, you stop. When you come back to your vehicle, the phone and the in-dash receiver will automatically find one another and reconnect. If you don't want that to happen, you can choose to switch Auto Connect off. For right now, I choose to keep Auto Connect on. Next up is visibility of the in-dash receiver, and this means, is the in-dash receiver visible to other devices through Bluetooth? If you are searching from your phone and can't find the in-dash receiver, please be sure to check this visibility setting. If it's switched off, other Bluetooth devices cannot see the in-dash receiver. So for right now, I'm going to keep visibility switched on. This is also an important one for Auto Connect. If you want the system to auto connect to other devices, you're going to want to leave that on. Next is the PIN code input, and this is for pairing devices, pairing the phone to the in-dash receiver. Most modern phones will not require a PIN code. We need to get back to our settings there. There we go. Most modern phones will not require a PIN code. If your phone requires a PIN code, the code for AVH-110BT is 400000. If you want, you can go in here and change that PIN code to another number. But again, most modern phones will not require a PIN code. Next up is our device information, and that's the Bluetooth information about the in-dash receiver. Here you can see the device name and the unique Bluetooth address for this particular in-dash receiver. Let's go back up and we'll scroll down to our next group of settings, which is Auto Answer. Right now, Auto Answer is switched off. If you want the in-dash receiver to automatically answer every phone call that comes in while you're driving, you can switch Auto Answer on. Many people like to check the caller ID of a phone call, and if you have the name of the person in your phone book on your phone, that will show up on the in-dash receiver as well. Most people like to keep that auto answer thing switched off and check to see who the caller is before they answer. Next up, we have the ringtone. We can switch the ringtone from the in-dash receiver on or off right here. And this is the ringtone that you'll hear inside the vehicle. And we can choose next to invert the names of the phone book. So this means when we import the phone book from the phone over to the in-dash receiver, you can get first name last, or you can get last name first. And you can do that by inverting the names of the phone book. For right now, I'm just going to say no there. If you have had a number of different devices connected to the in-dash receiver and you just want to clear out the Bluetooth memory, you can do that right here by saying clear the Bluetooth memory, and all devices that have been paired to the in-dash receiver will be cleared out and you can start over fresh. For right now, I'm just going to go back up. And that's the bottom of the list. When you're done making your adjustments to the Bluetooth settings, you can hit the X to escape.